The district administration, in collaboration with the Jowai Municipal Board and Dorbar Shnang Tumpang Yaumusyang, Jowai, carried out a cleaning drive in the market areas today, the 30th September 2022, as part of the celebration of Gandhi Jayanti. As this year, the 2nd of October 2022, falls on Sunday, the district administration had conducted the cleanliness drive today. Residents of Yaumusyang, stakeholders, vendors, shopkeepers actively participated in the cleanliness drive, cleaning the market areas, including CNI Market, Sainright Market, Jowai, Presbyterian Yaushia Market, and surrounding areas. Earlier, the cleaning drive was inaugurated by Additional Deputy Commissioner P.K. Boro, MCS. As instructed by the Deputy Commissioner, all the officers in the district also took part in the cleanliness drive, cleaning their own office and compound.